Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you tips to make creative video editing in CapCut. Alright, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and if we want to be more creative, we can put music, video effects, also sound effects to our editing. So for example, today I'm going to show you how we can put effects to our video to be more creative, guys. So if you want to put effects, you can click on effects option right here, and then you can choose either you want to add video effects or body effects. And if you want to add video effects, it means that you want to add effects to the whole part of your videos. But if you choose a body effect, it means that you want to add effect to the part of the body. And for example, I'm just going to select at first I'm going to select video effect. Then there are a lot of effects that we can use, guys, and make sure that we choose the suitable effect for our video. And there are a lot of categories right here. And for example, I'm just going to select maybe nature right here. Okay, and this is the nature category. Now I'm looking for a suitable effect for my video, so I think a soft rose will be better for my video, so let's just select the soft rose. And make sure that you have internet connection to download the effect, because we have to download the effect first before we use it. And after we're done selecting the effect, we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the body effects as well. So we can click on body effects, then just select the effects that that is suitable for your video. And there are a lot of categories as well. Okay guys, and for instance, I'm just gonna select this effect for my video, and just remember that this is just for an example, for a demonstration, and of course you have to choose the effect that match with your video. And then we can click on this check mark button after we are done selecting the effect, and we can adjust the length. I'm just gonna make this effect align with the video, so just drag the effect like this. And for the second effect, I'm going to make it align with the video as well, so just drag it like this. And to be more creative, you can also put a sound effects, guys. You can access the sound effects right here. You can click on audio, then you can click on effect. You can also put background music to make it more captivating. And if you want to use sound effect, you have to download the effect first. And just for example, I'm going to choose this effect. Then we can just click on this download button to download the effect. And after the effect has been downloaded, we can click on this plus button to add the effect to our video. Okay, and this is the sound effect. And then let's just take a look at the results, guys. So just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make creative editing in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.